There's no business without customers. This makes CRM software one of the most important enterprise solutions. CRM helps to enhance the productivity of sales teams, add value to customer interactions, and coordinate departments that work to keep customers happy, including marketing, customer support, e-commerce, and more. Core CRM modules include Salesforce and marketing automation, customer service and support, analytics, and reporting. Companies can plan and perform omni-channel sales and marketing campaigns through the CRM and integrate business intelligence and AI tools that help you better understand your customer. CRM helps businesses maximize customer lifetime value, provide rapid access to dashboards and reports, and automate sales and services. These are just a few of many benefits that a great CRM can create for businesses. Technology Evaluation Centers helps businesses find ideal enterprise solutions, including CRM systems from many industries and sectors. Contact one of our CRM experts now at technologyevaluation.com. We are tech. The choice is clear.